What is up, YouTube? It's Tyler with Taz Outdoors, and for today's video, we are in southern Utah at Lake Powell. Gonna do some drop shotting for some smallmouth. We only had like an hour and a half, but got on some fish. Hope you enjoy the video.
Right. That was the warm-up for a big one. Got full bend up on it. Probably don't need this much weight, but whatever. I got bit.
Dude, this is an IM6 rod. Check that out. $5, baby.
Dude, it is. What can I say? I know the deals. Oh.
Come on. You get him?
Yeah, that was a fish. Come on.
Negative. Oh, that doesn't count though. That's big, dude.
Let's go.
Dude, you brought it up. I couldn't even see you. You're so small.
He said negative. I was like, nah, I felt that. Let me get it. Here, take a picture. I'm a long arm it. Oh, dude, that is a trophy size smallmouth right there.
I could not video it.
You see that? Kip, look at this monster. That is.
How are you even holding that?
That is a unit right there. I could do curls with this. Oh, have a good day, bud.
I lost mine.
Huh? Yeah.
Okay, hold on to it longer.
Yeah.
If I can't see it, someone's jacked up and choppy.
It's hard.
Get him?
Yeah.
Solid. Gotta be oh, whoa!
No!
That was smaller than your last
That was an upgrade.
That thing was tiny, dude.
Haters gonna hate, you know. You can't even get a bite, so you know.
I'm just on cranks because that's the only thing I've got. I would have put you on the trolling motor and sat in the back with the freaking soaking the freaking anchovies. And then bring the anchovies. See that cast.
That was a freaking tank.
It was literally smaller than your last one.
No, it wasn't smaller than the last
I'm
one.
pretty sure it was.
No, that last one's kind of. That's actually a good fish.
Yeah, he's playing it up.
Not good, but he's not tiny. He's bigger than what he was.
Come on, man. That's good.
Okay, that's an upgrade.
I'm surprised any little bastards are getting like crank.
Crank, yeah, dude. They're avoiding the crank. They're going finesse only.
I know, it's weird.
Nice little smallie.
They were saying they thought, man, never seen smaller.
It's shallow right there. Shit. Oh, come on. Yeah. I can't tell if he's still there. I'm gonna set anyway because F it.
That's some.
He got. Oh, maybe he'll swim away. Hey, swim off. He on it?
Got a decent amount of time out here. I was thinking, we got like half an hour.
That's what I thought too, because the sun was just behind the hill. I might go for that slam tomorrow.
What?
Come here. Yeah. Oh, he got
Another
air.
Whoa, look at that.
This one's bigger.
That's freaking wicked, dude.
Oh,
Dude, that's 12 inches.
no, he's not. Hooked him through the bottom and the top lip. Yeah. See ya, dude. Monster.
All right, ended up catching like 5 basically dinks. None of them were even 12 inches, but I had a great time. Can't wait to get back out there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.